A paragraph is a group of related sentences which talk about one topic or develops one main idea. Types of paragraphs. Let's talk about kinds of paragraphs. We have four kinds of paragraphs. Number 1, narrative. 2, descriptive. 3, expository. And number 4, persuasive. Today, we're going to talk about narrative paragraph. Okay, what is a narrative paragraph? Narrative is taken from to narrate, which means to tell a story. Yes, in a narrative paragraph, we tell a story or talk about an event. Most of the times, we start the narrative paragraph with the phrases once upon a time, a long time ago, etc. Okay, here we have an example of the old man and his sins. Once upon a time, there lived an old man who had 5 sons. All his sons were young and strong, but they quarreled and fought with each other all the time and never shared one point of view. One day, the old man got very sick and was at the end of days, and he asked his sons to come to him and also bring a bunch of sticks. As they were there, he requested everyone to break the bunch of sticks. Although everyone tried, no one was successful, and then the old man got the sticks and separated them one by one and started breaking them. When his sons looked, they got surprised, but the old man turned towards them and told them, "My sons, keep it in your minds. Unity is power." Okay, so this was an example of a narrative paragraph that tells you the story of the old man and his sons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.